Hello everyone. So I got an email asking me where did I get my front license plate bracket that I've installed on my Tesla Model 3. So I thought to make a quick video to show you where, and tell you where I got it from and what it is. So I got this bracket, as you can see here, has my plate on it, and this is how it is. I ordered it from 1975 Creation. The owner's name is Tony. It's about 150 US dollars, which is about, with shipping and everything, costed me about 190 something dollars Canadian, and it got shipped to me. I got it within about a week. Yeah, keeps 7 business days. That's about how I got it. The owner is absolutely amazing, very responsive, and extremely helpful. So I did have a couple of questions after I ordered as well, and he was extremely helpful, very prompt in replying me back. Just a heads up, this video is not sponsored, or I didn't get paid for it, but since it's a great product, I definitely thought worth mentioning, in case it helps any one of you. So the bracket is very well made. It's a hard plastic, very good quality. What I installed as in front is I installed a plastic plate protector, which I ordered from WeatherTech. Now what happened is the standard screws that come with this license plate mount is a number 10 3x8. That's what I got the information from Tony, who's the owner of 1975 Creations website. But that apparently, those standard screws that come only fit the default plate and cannot hold the plastic cover. So I had a conversation with him. I asked him what the screws are used. I went on to Canadian Tire here and ordered this whole complete set of Cruiser Accessories Ultimate Kit. This is what I ordered. Had multiple screws and different type of accessories that I needed. So apparently one of the screws worked. So what I did is I installed the screw here, and then sort of a cover at the back to cover the little screw that was popping out. I've tested it on my car as well, and it worked great. Let me go ahead and show you how to install it on the car. It's a very simple process. If you have a Model 3 or Y, it just goes, it's like a plug and play. That's what I would say it as. You just push it into the grill of your Tesla Model 3, and just for reference, there is this latch here, I would say. You just lower it, and what happens when you lower is this bracket that you see pushes up. So what this bracket, when it pushes up, as you can see here, what it does, it grips onto the grill of, which is on the front bumper of your Tesla Model 3 or Y. And great product, excellent. I've tested it in severe snowstorm as well last week. No issues at all. And to be honest, this was also without mounting the screw. So there's a safety screw here, which I'm supposed to mount, but which I will be doing it now. But I didn't mount it, and I was driving without it and absolutely had no issues. There was no loosening up or anything. Great product. Let's go ahead and install it outside on the car now. So here it is, everyone. You see this license plate holder, which is for the Tesla Model 3. This is the OEM version. I'm giving away one of this one. Let me show you how it looks in the original packing. So before I show you what's in the packaging of the OEM Tesla Model 3 license plate holder, I just wanted to tell you what the process of this giveaway is. So you need to be an active subscriber. That's number one thing. The second thing is you need to like the video. And the third thing is, let me know in the comments down why you should be chosen to, to be given that license plate holder. That's all the three things you need to do. Now let's go ahead and show you what's in the box. This is how it comes. Here it comes in a bag. Has a black case like this. You open up, you'll see the Model 3 license plate holder like this. Here's the front bumper. I aim typically for this center grill line, which is here. It's also in line with the logo. And what I do is just slide this in. Once it's in and in place, I know that there, all I need to do is push this latch. Perfect. So you can see here the latch is down here completely. I can insert the screw here, and you know, this should secure the latch and there's no more movement. This is pretty good and nice position. Let me give you a closer look. This is how it looks from the side. Installed, it's not hitting or touching the car in any way. Even with wind pressure or anything, no matter how much I'm trying to push with my hand, it doesn't hit the car. So pretty sturdy and nice look. That's the look it gives from the front, and this is the again look from the other side. I also have something special for you. If you like this product and you wish to order, you can go on 1975 Creations website, enter my code Amir. That will give you 10% discount on purchasing this or Model Y product. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, write something in the comment below, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss on any future upcoming video. Till next time, drive safe, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.